Stay tuned till the end to find out how to win a brand new Ryobi power tool. Hello, I'm Dan. I like to fix things. After a hard day of fixing things, you wind up with dirty hands. It's time to wash up. I wanted a new towel rack over my sink, and I wanted to have a shelf space. So because I'm partial to Ryobi tools, I decided to use a Ryobi product. Let's see how that worked out. This Ryobi Link Shelf came with the paper towel holder mounted toward the rear, and that works fine for shop towels on small rolls, but not so well for big towels. The problem is that Ryobi put the paper towel holder all the way at the back of the shelf. That works for small towel rolls, but not for big ones. They don't roll off. We're going to come up with a solution for that. Experimentation showed me that if I moved the paper towel holder forward by about 5 inches, that my paper towels on the big roll would work just fine. So I started by drilling 6 holes through the top of the shelf. I used the holes I drilled in the shelf to put 3 tie wraps in. We're going to use those tie wraps to move the paper towel holder forward so our big rolls will work with it. This is what it looked like on top initially. This is what the finished product looks like from the top. The 3 tie wraps hold it quite snugly, and I've been able to move the paper towel holder forward far enough to hold large towels. So this is the final outcome. I wound up with a nice Ryobi Link shelf. It holds my paper towels. They roll off easily, and I'm happy with the results. This video shows that even brand new products sometimes need some fixing, either because they weren't well thought out by the manufacturer, or they just don't meet your needs. I hope the video was useful to you, and you'll consider liking and subscribing. I'm working my way toward 1,000 subscribers. When I get there, I'm going to choose one subscriber and give them a brand new Ryobi power tool. You could be the lucky one. It's better odds than you'll get with a lottery, and you don't have to buy a ticket. It's free to subscribe. Thanks. I'm Dan. I like to fix things, and I'll see you down the road.